Got a quick little video here, guys. Remember when I was snow blowing, I blew the muffler right off the commercial 12. So we're gonna fix that today. Well, I got the new muffler here for commercial 12. I'm gonna use the super pliers. Try to take the old one off. We got a rotary muffler on Amazon, and it was $9.30. Came the next day. All right, let's see if we can get this tarp off. If you never use these big super pliers, these things really are awesome. But I'm probably gonna end up crushing this thing. Yep. Oh, there we go. It's working. Man, the thing is, that sucker was thin. Let's see. Not so bad. That thing was shot ski, as they say. Cool. Thread's on a long way. There you go. Yeah, that freaking thing is shot. Look at that. The whole thing is just disintegrated. Anyways, we'll put this new Taiwan model on here, and we should be good to go. If I can do it without cross-threading it. Pipe is pretty beat. There we go. Oh man, that thing's tough. I'm gonna take this little welding brush and clean the threads on this pipe before I install that new one. It's pretty worn off here on the end. Yeah, that's a lot better. But it's, I don't know if you can see on camera here, but the threads are pretty nicked up on the end here. So let me see if I can get it started squarely to the pipe so that I'm on those threads the right way. It wants to like cross thread itself, you know? Cool. All right, I got it started. I got it almost all the way on here. I'm not going to use the pliers to tighten it. I'm just going to grab it with two hands and give it a twist. Well, that should do it. Old Muffkin will go in the trash. Score. Should be good. Well, these old channel locks here, these big ones, when you need them, you need them. I always call them super pliers. I don't know what they really call them, but I call them the super pliers, and things are diesel. I hope you liked this short little video. There'll be more to come. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.